Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Messenger. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Messenger application. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings icon. Then scroll down until you find Account Settings. Tap on it. Now tap on See More in Account Center. Then tap on Personal and Account Information. Tap on Name. Now enter a new name. Once you're done, tap on Review Change. Then choose how your name will appear on your profile. To save the settings, please enter your Facebook password. You won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. And if you are sure, tap on Save Changes option. And this is how you can change your name on Messenger. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.